Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC13 in Denver, Colorado, and I'm here at the Ciena booth with Rod Wilson. Now, Rod, let's start at the beginning. You guys are involved with the SCiNet, and there's quite a bit of buzz about your participation. What exactly are you bringing to the table here?
We've had a long history of working with SCiNet. We get incredible value out of creating the show network in collaboration with universities and research labs, and we help build the infrastructure that connects exhibitors at this show to their home institutions or supercomputers almost anywhere in the world. So we're very proud to participate and all at the same time showcase some of our advanced technologies.
Well, can we put this in perspective? What is the bandwidth going around this hall? Do you have any idea what?
So the total bandwidth coming off this hall is just over 800 gigabits per second. And of that, Ciena is showing a 400 gigabit connection, which is nearly half the entire show bandwidth. And it's connecting from here to Internet 2 and ESNet, which are two of the large research networks in America. And that pipe is full. Managed to be filled with research experiments, some of the exhibitors you see here, some of the stuff that's going on, high energy physics data. And it's remarkable that this community needs that kind of bandwidth. And of course, Ciena is only too proud to be able to provide stretch objectives, show our emerging technologies, and achieve that connectivity.
So, Rod, this isn't Ciena's only venture into the R&E community. Can you tell us about some other projects you guys do that are similar in nature?
We collaborate on a global scale. Ciena is seen not just as a vendor, but as a member of the research community. We have scientists that are helping develop next generation computer communications technology, trying to address the emerging needs of high performance computing. We look at this show as where high performance computing meets high performance networking, and that's a large part of what we do here. But it's not just about transport. It's also about optical packet integration and how these networks can be used more efficiently. So yes, transmission, but also control mechanisms, software-defined networking, dynamic provisioning, as well as network management and network control. And these are all things that we're specialists in and are showing here at Supercomputing.
All right, Rod, so research communities are known for kind of pushing the bleeding edge. Who's driving the bus here? Are they pushing you, or are you pushing them, or how does it go?
Well, one of the things that's exciting about working in this field, in this community, is that there's always a little bit beyond what we're able to provide. It creates stretch objectives for us, and so we kind of rise to those challenges and fulfill them with our unique skills. As you look around the world, there are a number of applications that are demanding high performance computing. Things like genomic research, particle physics, astronomy, all these big science, big data situations have created private internets, networks to facilitate connectivity between these supercomputers. And more as you look around the world, those networks are turning to Ciena for high performance packet optical solutions. And we get tremendous value out of working with this community exactly because of those challenges. Every year we come here to SCiNet and the Supercomputer Show, and there's always a handful of researchers that are really looking for things that are not available in the common market, are not commercially available. And so what research community and the research networks require today are often things that will evolve to be more common solutions tomorrow. So when you come to supercomputing, you really get a hint at the future. And things that are very difficult to simulate in the lab, we do for real here.
So, Rod, kind of a wrap up here. What kind of learning opportunities are there that you guys are providing in the Ciena truck?
Well, Ciena truck, we're really providing an education on 400 gig high performance networking and how we do it. A look behind the technology. We've connected our scope to the system, the actual live system. We can show the waveforms and how we're modulating the optical signal, and at the same time things like constellation patterns and some of these technical attributes of ultra high speed 400 gig super channels. In addition to that, we're showing our one control system, which is a network management system that can look at all the elements of the network. And another leading demonstration they'll see is in software-defined networking, where we're showing unique ways of managing multiple layer connectivity in a network. And that's been very busy. People are very excited to see that as well.
They can actually get their hands on this and see how it looks.
That's right. Yeah. So not only have we provided connectivity to the exhibitors at the show, and you can go to SCiNet and see our equipment on display there, but if you come to the truck, you can actually get a really solid understanding and a good grounding on where the science of telecommunications is.